Okay, so if you look here, there's only one strap, the other one got broken. So what I'm gonna do is flip this chair and take the scissors and cut off both because the one I have is a buckle. It's a whole new strap. So cut these two off, likewise. And then with this, I'm gonna just put it on one side. So near the end or in the middle right here, in the front, take my staple gun and then staple right here to the side like this. Careful of your fingers. Then I'll do it one more time so that it's more secure. So if you look here, you could see how I did that. And then I'm gonna put this to the other side. So it's still buckled, and I wanna do it to the edge. And do the same thing here. Staple it twice. And then flip this chair, and now you have a buckle, and you can adjust the ends as you wish with this strap.